the recipes that is featured in the fall-winter cycle is chicken and dumplings, and that is something that is a southern staple. It's a good comfort food, and prepared well can really do a lot to influence your customers and have them really appreciate and come back and talk volumes about your ability to cook. So let's jump right in. I've already got some oil heating up here in the saucepan. I'm going to toss in some onions. I'm going to go celery and carrots. And we're just going to saute those and let them get nice and happy. So as we've got our vegetables sauteing here, we just want them to kind of break down a little bit and get translucent, because we're going to be making a soup out of them. At this point, we'll probably go ahead and add our salt, pepper, and the poultry seasoning and whatnot to the recipe. And what that'll do is it'll start cooking that seasoning into the vegetables, so that once we add the chicken and everything else, the vegetables won't be burned. So our vegetables are broken down here. As you can see, they're starting to get a little bit translucent. So now is the time, whereas before we're going to add flour, and what that will do is it will turn into a roux, and then that roux will help thicken our soup so that we're not just looking at some kind of a broth, we actually have a soup. We want to make sure that's pretty well incorporated, because otherwise you'll end up with big thick chunks of bread in the soup, and no one wants that. And then once that's all mixed in, add the chicken stock. And the chicken. And we're going to let this simmer for a little while. We may need to add a little more water or chicken stock just to keep it, just to keep the soup ratio right. But we'll let that simmer for a little while. And while that's going, I actually have some chicken stock simmering here in this other saucepan. I'm going to show you how to make the dumplings. So I've taken some biscuit dough here. I know the recipe calls for a biscuit mix, but if we've already got biscuits on hand, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. So I've just taken some biscuit dough and kind of made it into little dumpling shapes. And what I'm going to do is, with this broth already at a simmer, don't want it at a boil, just at a simmer, I'm going to drop these in one by one, being careful not to splash myself with hot liquid. And we're going to let these steam in this simmering chicken broth for about 10 minutes. So they're in there. That's all we got to do. So after the dumplings have been on for 10 minutes, we want to cover them up. They're still going to be at a simmer, and cook for another 10 minutes. When you finish, it should look nice and puffy, like dumplings. So from there, you can very carefully drop them into the chicken and dumplings. And you're ready to go.